It may have been a lousy day on Wall Street, but boy, the weather around the River Valley, Northwest Arkansas, fantastic. And here's the thing, it only gets better over the next couple of days. We'll take a look at the forecast, but what the heck am I doing out here at NWACC this evening? Well, it's a storm spotter class. It's hosted every year by the National Weather Service. Tonight here in Bentonville at the Walmart Auditorium. That's right here in the Shoemaker Center. Starts at 7 o'clock. There's no cost. There's no registration. You just have to get down here and you're going to learn a lot. Doesn't obligate you to go out storm spot. Doesn't obligate you to do anything really. But if you want to learn about storms, severe weather, how the warning process works, how we track these storms from the field, this is the place to be tonight. If you can't make it tonight, there's one in Subiaco, that's taught by the National Weather Service out of Little Rock. That's going to be this Wednesday at 6 o'clock, and then we'll wrap things up for the year in Fort Smith next Tuesday at 6:30 there at the Sebastian County Emergency Operations Center. Tomorrow, no storms, but we got 80s. That's right, 80s for likely the first time this season across most of the area. It's going to be a nice warm afternoon. We do see some changes by Wednesday. This is going to be Wednesday evening. We could see a few scattered showers, maybe a couple of rumbles of thunder, especially in the evening and going into the overnight hours. Not everyone sees rain, not everyone sees thunderstorms. Chances are somewhat low, but there is a low potential. It's a level 1 out of a 5 of a few strong to severe storms. You'll notice that risk area there in green, primarily the River Valley along and south of Interstate 40 for the most part. Overall, could see a little bit of hail out of that system. Not too concerning for us at this point. We get to Friday, however, and there's going to be a stronger storm system that's going to have a little bit more ingredients to work with. In fact, we'll put Futurecast into motion. We got a couple of spotty to scattered showers by the afternoon as our front gets a little bit closer. Those expected to grow not only in coverage, but likely intensity as well. That's going to be Friday afternoon into the evening. Now, what we know at this point is, yes, there's some ingredients coming together. So we'll watch it. We'll track it closely as we always do. But the better ingredients appear to be just off to our east, and for that reason, the map you're looking at here, produced by the Storm Prediction Center out of Norman, has elevated that risk zone in orange for areas just off to our east. Let's watch it. Let's be on the safe side. It is March after all. Right now, we'll go with an 80-degree high temperature tomorrow in Northwest Arkansas. Lots of sunshine out there. It is going to be breezy once more tomorrow. Winds out of the south as high as 10 to 20 miles per hour. You got that 30% chance of a scattered shower or thunderstorm on Wednesday. Maybe it knocks us back a couple of degrees, but we're still talking about really warm temperatures most of this week. We'll get to Friday. There comes that potential of a couple of strong to severe thunderstorms, chance of that 50%. Temperatures come down behind that system. It is going to be somewhat of a strong system in terms of wind energy and then what it does to our temperatures. But even with that big drop Saturday and Sunday, I'm still tracking highs in the low to mid 60s, decent amount of sunshine this weekend. Overall, I'm going to give it an A+ weekend forecast. We'll rebound back into the 70s by Monday of next week. Of course, as is often the case, we'll be a little bit warmer here in the River Valley, low 80s most of the week with the exception of Wednesday and Friday. As you would expect, the cloud cover associated with those two storms in of itself keeps us a degree or two cooler. Still rather mild. The weekend, yeah, it cools down a bit, but gosh, if you don't have weekend plans just yet, you definitely want to make some. It's going to be fantastic out there both days. If you don't have plans this evening and you can make it out here to the Storm Spotter class, this is on the campus of NWACC. It is in the Shoemaker Center inside the Walmart Auditorium. Incredible insight into how we forecast severe storms and how visual observers, storm spotters on the ground, play a critical role to bridge the gap between what we can see on radar and what we can't see. It's going to be a great evening here at NWACC. We'll see you guys here in just a few.
Okay.